Somebody did that to Bob. Look at that.
He's blinding.
Oh!
For my next trip.
Look at this.
Obviously thinking, no, I just
Does that count as a pass?
Yeah, it's a pass. Passing under yellow, though. He's passing under yellow.
That's right.
Oh, I got repass. It's okay. Give it back.
Look at this.
Okay, that's the 51.
Here comes
Billy went up. Those tires just seem to turn these cars.
Yeah, they do. I've seen a lot of cars upside down there. Now, here's the orange car. Whatever this is coming right here.
Is that a BMW?
Is that Mosing? This car?
55.
No, I think that's the 65, guys.
65?
I think it's the
Is that the
Morello
one
team
they
car.
just pushed away in the pit lane?
And there's a Porsche that flipped. What is that, 50?
Yeah, 55's no, it couldn't be 55. That's one of the Astons. It's the BMW 65.
Yeah. The Porsche that flipped was 50.
Yeah, Mosing. You're right, Cal.
Mosing.
Which one?
The one that plowed into Billy Johnson while he's upside down was the 65.
61. Yeah, 65.
Okay.
The BMW.
Okay, yeah.
Then the 197 goes in a gravel trap.
Piscatel.
13 almost does.
Piscatel behind the wheel now.